Hello, John here from Next Key Real Estate. I got a neat 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo coming on the market. It's in Portland in Glenridge Condo Association, and there's 100 units spread throughout. You can kind of see them in the distance here. Nicely laid out, great landscaping, and the unit itself is 844 square foot. That unit is right here, and it will be hitting the market for $285,000. If you're interested, please reach out, and I'd love to get you into a new place for the holiday. All right, have a great day. We appreciate you watching our channel. Please subscribe to keep informed about new videos, listings, and what's happening in Southern Maine.